Welcome back to our yoga and health-related channel. That's the way up. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us are curious about: how to improve your eyesight naturally without relying on medicine or surgery. Whether you spend long hours in front of screens, struggle with blurry vision, or just want to maintain your eye health, this video is for you. Let's explore some simple yet effective ways to keep your eyes healthy and strong. Let's start with eye exercises, which can be incredibly beneficial for maintaining and even improving your vision. These exercises help to reduce eye strain, improve focus, and strengthen the muscles around the eyes. First up is palming. Rub your hands together to generate some warmth, then gently place your palms over your closed eyes without pressing on them. This helps to relax the eye muscles and relieve stress. Take deep breaths and hold this position for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next is focus shifting. Hold a pen or your finger at arm's length and focus on it. Slowly bring it closer to your nose, keeping your focus on the object. Then, move it back to arm's length. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. This exercise improves your eye's focusing ability. Finally, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy and balanced life. Take care of your eyes, and we'll see you in the next video.